today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn up to $450 every single day, all by the power of watching ads. Yes, you heard that right, earning money just by watching ads. Today's method is incredibly easy to do, and it's a very quick way to earn money too. It's free, which means you won't need to pay for anything at all, because I don't want you to pay for anything at all. It's that simple. And all of you know that with Digital Money Queen, I only give you the best, the easiest, and the fastest ways to make the most amount of money online, since that's all I know to do, of course. I want you guys to be hooked up with only the best methods possible, so you can trust that I would never let any of you guys down, especially when it comes to making money online. This can be done from any part of the world, but the only real way to know is if you try it. So make sure that you do. I'm going to make you guys so rich that the life you have right now will be nothing compared to the life you will have after watching today's video and all of my other videos. This method today is insane, and you probably will have such a hard time believing it, but you might as well just watch to really know. You won't need any skills or experience. Plus, you can do this on your phone, so even if you're out with your friends or if you're on a lunch break from your 9 to 5 job, this method works according to that. If you're not doing anything at all, then all the better. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. So here's what's going to happen. First, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for a free account. Next, I'm going to teach you how you can set up a passive income strategy so that you can continuously earn even without doing anything. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. So the first website is called PTC Share. And to get to the website, you can just type in ptcshare.com, and this is what you should see. PTC Share is more than just a paid-to-click website. There are tons of ways to earn money for free. Interact with advertisers and earn up to $1 per ad view. We value loyalty and hard work, so you can build up your earnings over time. And they also claim to have offer walls, surveys, and more. They also have low cash out limits processed daily. And as you can see over here, these are the top earners in the last 48 hours. People earning as little to as much as $20 in just a span of 2 days. And over here are the last cash outs made, so you can literally cash out as low as $1 and as much as how much you actually earn, which is absolutely insane. There are about 540,000 users registered, over $192,000 already cashed out, and $520,000 that members have earned all time just with this platform alone. PTC Share is secure. It's supported by a high-quality secure system, which makes sure all your information remains safe. PTC Share is transparent. All the transactions made in their platform can be tracked, and you can follow every single order that you've made with this website. And it's sustainable. They've designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. Earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with us is simple. Once you register for an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. You will also have a welcome gift of 100 BAPs in your account, which will enable you to receive some more cash ads. While you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAP by viewing a few of our advertisers' messages, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. And while you wait on receiving more cash ads, make sure to have a look at our offer sections where many various tasks await you with more possibilities to earn. And if you scroll lower, you'll see that they pay out through different methods like Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin as well. Since I've mentioned that there are multiple ways that I want to pay out, what would be your favorite? And if it's not part of the list given, let me know in the comments down below so I can use it in my future videos. Now, let's proceed. Now, we're going to sign up for a free account, and to do that, you're just going to click on the Join Us Now button. Then that should lead you to this right here, wherein you're going to provide all of the details being asked. So your username, password twice, email twice, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and then finally hit on Create Account. Once you've clicked on that, you will see this. Thank you for registering. Before you can log in, please click on the activation link that was sent to your registered email. So let's go to our email account, okay? Check our inbox, and this is what their email should look like. And we just need to click on this or copy paste this link, and boom, your account should be activated. Now you can finally log into your brand new account. To do that, just click on this button that says log in, and that should take you to right here. Enter your login details, confirm you're not a robot, and then hit login. Right away, you'll be met with something like this, and it says, welcome to PTC Share. You've received 100 BAPS as welcome bonus. PTC Share is a bit different from all other pay-to-click sites out there, as we value members for their activity and commitment by giving you more chances to earn and grow your earnings. On this page, you have an overview of the most important things in PTC Share and your status as a member. Now, this is what your official dashboard should look like. It's a little confusing right now, but don't worry, I'm going to be walking you through the whole thing, so just leave it all to me. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video, and subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So here you'll see your balance and your points and everything like that, and as you scroll down, you'll see all the activity and tasks to be done and that are done as well. Then go ahead and click on Earn right here, and then you'll see all the different ways to earn on this platform. View ads, offer walls, surveys, videos, PTC walls, click grid, and refer friend. Our focus is obviously to earn from watching ads, so that's what we're going to click on. So we're going to click on View Ads right here. As soon as you click on that, you'll then see this. Activation ads, paid ads, and complete offers. So you can do these ones and earn up to $10 and more. You can just click on whatever you want to click on, and then you can earn the amount that was promised in that particular task or particular paid ad. The more ads you view, the more offers you complete, the more money you can actually make. It's really all in your hands. Another way to earn would be clicking on Click Grid, which you can also find under Earn. Now, each of these grids contain ads, and if you click on this box, an ad will pop out, and so on and so forth with the rest of the grids. You will know that it's credited because the ads that you've already opened up or the grids that you'd already click on will turn red, so you know that you're paid or that it was credited. So if this contains 100 ads and you click on all that and it's 5 cents per click, then that's an easy $5 in literal minutes. It's amazing and another great way to earn money in less than 5 minutes. The last and the best option would be doing referrals, and that's how you can earn passively. You could go on Refer Friends, grab your link, share it on all the forums that you know, on all the different social media platforms that you have, and if you can, share with your family and friends too, and you'll be earning without doing any work in no time. With this platform alone, you can make money for yourself and have people make money for you all at the same time. So make sure that you follow everything that I just shared with you, because I know that you're definitely not going to regret it. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love, and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.